So it's Friday and I forgot that, well, kind of just found out the other day, but then I forgot that there's actually a pet vet clinic today. I have to be there at 10 and I need to get gas because I'm like almost out of gas. So I am in the van. Say hi, puppers. And there's the puppers, and we're about to go for a ride. Oh, I can move my lunch bag. You can see the puppers better. Yeah, there they are. Hey, puppies. Cersei, Bodhi. Yeah, we're gonna go and get all our vet care done for free. There's a pop-up vet clinic, and I am taking advantage of that resource for sure. So I'm off to that, and I will try to take some more photos or videos along the way. I still don't have the equipment for the car, so it'll be bits and pieces. See you later. There's the puppers. We are at the free vet clinic in the county. The county is putting this on, and this is great. I'm out here with my mini camper van and with the puppers. I'm just waiting for things to get started. Yep. Buddy, buddy. Hi. Cersei. Hi. Hi. Yes, we're back from the vet now. And they're not very happy with me. Now she's mad at me. Are you mad, Cersei? Are you mad at me? Did I make you get shots? Oh. So they both got their shots, and we got some bad news. We got back a little while ago, and I had to take a few minutes just to process the vet telling me that my Bodhi, the other dog, my Corgi mix, he's over 13 years old, and I kind of knew, he's getting to the end of his lifespan. 13 is kind of the average for Corgis, but the vet said that they think he has a heart murmur. And it's unlikely at his age, that it would be successful trying to fix it. And I don't have the financial resources to pour into vet care that may not result in him living a longer life than he would without it. So this is a sad day because, well, I guess it's to help prepare me for the end of his life, and I'm gonna go get him heartworm tested, get him on some maybe better heartworm meds. I did slack on them the last couple of years because of COVID and not being able to get to the vet. So, so that's my, I was hoping to come back all happy and joyful that we got, and I'm grateful that they were able to get the vet exams and their vaccinations and some flea medicine. Usually they give heartworm medicine, but they didn't have it. I guess they're getting less donations for their services, so I can understand that. But it's sad that I'm looking at losing my best buddy, Bodhi. So we'll probably be taking lots of photos and videos of him now until whenever it becomes his last day. Sorry for the disappointing downer video. maybe I'll have another one that's more uplifting soon. Okay. See you guys in the next one.